Hello, this is Down a Notch, and I'll be going over my Enhancement 7 assignment. So we'll start by opening up an account, logging in to the admin user. So log in here, comes to this page here. You can see it says currently logged in, has all your info. We'll go to update account information. Here I'm just going to go ahead and verify the HTML CSS real quick. That's CSS. And this is HTML. Okay. So if we hit update without updating anything, you'll see it's going to say you need to update something. Also, you got client side here, fill it out. So we'll do that. We'll just change it to admins, hit update. Comes back here, information has been successfully updated. If you go to your clients here, refresh, should say admins right here. And it does. So I'm just going to go ahead and change that back. Okay, so we'll go back here. And we'll do the password. So it says changes current password to new password. And it gives you the requirements here. You'll see if I don't enter anything, client side validation throws that. If we put just like an S, it doesn't meet the requirements. It's going to say password requirements was not met. So we'll go ahead and make a new password here. Let's do something like that. Okay, hit update. Information has been successfully updated. If we go here, you can see that it's hashed. So you can see it changed as well. It's hashed in there. Go ahead and log in with this as well. Admin, and I'm going to go ahead and type it up here so you can see I'm using the new password and not the old one. So it was that, I believe. Okay, hit login. And there you go. It's logged in with the new password and everything's working correctly. And I believe that was everything. Just going to double check. Okay, yeah, perfect. All right, well, that is it, and thank you for watching.